Welcome. My name is Tom. I'm one of the customer success managers here at RecDesk, and today I get the exciting chance to go over our November release with you. So in this new release, we will now allow you to bulk copy programs. For memberships, select which membership is checking into a facility. If you are one of our users who is integrated with S2 or Keezy on facility reservations, you will now be able to automatically give them access to the facility at the time of their reservation. If you're using Musco, you will be able to automatically have the field lights turn on when it gets dark on facility reservations. And then we also made a minor upgrade to SendGrid. So we'll go through all of that today. And from the dashboard, you're going to click on the Program tab. And now you're going to see some checkboxes here on the left-hand side. So here I want to copy my trip, my golf for seniors, and also my baseball league. So now once I have those checked, I can go ahead and I can click on Actions and then Copy Selected Programs. So just keep in mind, you can only copy up to 15 programs at once. Once you get to this screen, you can say it's going to happen in 364 days. So it's going to be exactly 1 year from today. Or if you want, you can do 30, 60, or whatever, how many days you'd like. Now, once you add in those dates, it's going to schedule out the new start date, and you'll be able to change the program name, add or change the custom code if need be. And then also here, you can see that you can change the age minimum, maximum, or the enrollment date. Let's say you don't want to copy over the instructors. You can uncheck the copy instructors, and now you can click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will give you some verbiage just saying that you're about to copy these programs and that they'll be placed into your draft mode, which I'll show you right now. So I'm going to click on copy now, and I can click on view draft mode, and now you can see all of these programs in my draft. So they will sit out here until I am ready to publish them. So if you want to build out your spring programs, you can go ahead and do that. Once you are ready to publish them, all you have to do is click on publish, and they'll disappear. Or you can go into the yoga program, make any changes, and then let it sit there or publish program now. To get back to this list, all you have to do is click on current and future. So typically when you come in here, this is the default value. You can set this back to draft mode, and now you'll see your programs that are up for drafts. So the next update that we have is how you check in members. So again, from the dashboard, you can go to check-in. And here, again, as always, you will select the facility that someone is checking into. And you can select all of the memberships that will pull in. You will now see the option to have auto check-in, where it's going to look for any active membership and check them in. Or you can have the ability to turn that off. So when I turn that off, and I go and I search for my person's last name, like myself, and I try to check into the facility, I can click on check in, and it's going to give me the option on it picking the punch pass or the membership that I am trying to check into the facility with. So here I'm going to check into the fitness center with my fitness membership. So now when I can complete this check-in, it's going to allow me to check in with that fitness instead of having to, by default, check all of them in. Moving on to the next update, you will either need Keezy or S2 integrated in with RecDesk. You will also now be able to have it so the system, when someone makes a facility reservation, that they will also automatically get access to the facility. To set this up, you're going to go into Facilities, and then you're going to go into the facility you'd like to set it up for. Now, you can click on Manage Reservation Level Access Control. When you click on that, here you can edit the levels that someone might need to have access to that building. If you're using Keezy, you'll be able to select multiple options. If you're using S2, you'll only be able to select one of those groups. Here, now, you'll be able to either enable or disable the online reservations. So if it's enabled and someone makes an online reservation, they'll automatically have access to the facility during the time of their reservation. If it is disabled, it will not give them access to the facility, but you can go back and you can make that change later. So to do that, you would click on the Flex Calendar. You can go into the facility, click on the reservation, and go and edit those details. You will be able to see that you can either enable access control or disable it. So in this case, if you wanted to enable it, you can click on edit and enable those settings. If you have any other questions based on access control, if you're a Keezy or S2 user, please reach out to your customer success manager where you can get those further details. So we're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to show you that last enhancement. If you are a Must Go user, which you have integrated into RecDesk, you will now be able to go and click on Facilities, and you can go back to that Rec Center or the other facilities, and you can manage facility lighting. When you click on that, you will be able to have it so that way when someone rents your facility, the lights will automatically come on when it gets dark. So with that, those are all of the big updates that we made to the system. The last and final update has to deal with SendGrid. For most of you, you're using SendGrid through RecDesk and you have nothing to worry about. If you by chance came in with your own SendGrid account, we may be reaching out to you to update the credentials as we made an API upgrade. So with that, that is all of the updates for this release. Good luck and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks again.